Theo mấy bạn nhỏ đi xem cái khu rừng nhiệt đới ở Kalamazoo á mọi người, MN76. Cái này là MN76 chứ không phải là Kalamazoo. Để thấy có người vợ tránh đi, giờ vợ tới bỏ nè. No. Bỏ nè, nó bỏ nè. Đó. No. Đừng có đi vô, đừng có đi vô. No. Nó bỏ vô nè.
Nó cho hồi nãy giờ.
Hi everybody, my name is Meg. Anyone out there want to hang out with me? Okay, blue shorts, front row. I'm going to toss this up and you're going to fly up and catch it, okay? I'm just kidding. You can hang out with me and Eric right over here. You're going to toss Eric his next juicy grape. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Here, hold on to this. Wrap your fingertips around it. And we'll see if Eric is ready for another snack. This time coming from you. So he's looking at the sky. Bird trainer here. Who has your favorite snack? You're doing great. All right, Eric, you ready to go? It looks like you're back in action. Nice job, my friend. So Eric is a male. You can see his beak is pretty big. He has a cast on top that helps him trumpet his sound if he were in the forest. But we're ready with that grape. On the count of 3, toss it straight up into the air, all right? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, giỏi quá vậy. Lấy được luôn hả?
That was incredible. Really nice toss. This matches your whole outfit.
Wow.
Chris Fan from the Bird Show. Thank you for helping me out. Now, so Corona, the Togo Toucan, her name is Corona, of course.
Corona,
and she has a sister named Guinness. Are there any beer drinkers out there?
No, not coronavirus.
We've mentioned that because beer and soda, pop,
lên đây đậu này.
cans are made from a mineral
Wow.
in the rainforest where Togo
Đậu lên đây à?
But aluminum cans are 100% recyclable, so we shouldn't have to go back in the forest, create deforestation in order to have aluminum cans. So if you recycle your cans, it's almost like saving one can.
Bà Trúng đâu rồi?
Ngồi Việt.
I like that. Clever.
Thank you. That was mostly a groan, but a little bit of clapping and laughing, so I appreciate that. Now, we're going to switch gears a little bit here. Corona and Eric have really big beaks, but check out
Trên cây nữa kìa.
she looks much different than those two.
Trên kia
And
cây
that's
nữa.
because she is a vulture.
Vulture.
And she's going to be
nó lên trên kia nè.
around here. Usually vultures are high in the
lên trên đó.
sky, soaring, so they're little
Quay qua đây nè.
but you're going to look at now, she's a black vulture. Black vultures are found in Central America, South America, and the northern part of our country. But do you know what kind of vultures you can see here in Minnesota?
Trời ơi, bà bay qua bay lại vậy à?
Turkey vultures, yeah, they hang out here. And do you guys know what vultures like to eat?
Bay lại nữa.
Dead stuff. So look alive.
Oh.
He's pretty.
Boy is super cute. She did a great job giving you a good look at her.
Oh,
and since vultures do eat dead stuff, they have to go to the ground to get their food. And then this is the cutest part. Boyd's little vulture truck.
Chào bây giờ nhà ngủ.
Wow. What an amazing bird. Check out that wingspan. Now, Sadie is 30 years old. She's actually older than Kayla.
Oh.
And guess how much she weighs? Shout it out.
Me, this one's fair.
Trời bà theo.
Somebody always guesses the right answer, so I know you've been to the show before. She is actually about 8 tall. The biggest bird we have here at the show. There she goes.
Awesome, thank you. Thanks so much, everybody. I'm Kayla. Great to see all of you. Thanks, everybody. And you know, vultures like that, they have to find their food, like dead stuff, they find it. But predators like Trogo have to hunt for their prey. And check out this predator. He's just about the cutest predator there was. Oh, he's so cute. This is Trogo. He is an awful model falcon. And sometimes they're referred to as the missing Texan.
Bà chạy lên kìa. Ghét chưa? Bên kia.
And the peregrine falcon, he one day actually set up a breeding building, and 500 aquamodel falcons were released into the skies in Texas.
Sao nhìn thấy được hay ta?
Now you can see aquamodel falcons
Quen á.
Texas skies once again. Wow, right over your head. So it was awesome. Google, thank you so much.
xong rồi.
Okay, while you're digging, 5 and 10's work too. Okay, all you have to do is stand up and just put your arms straight out like this with the dollar bill in your fingertips. Pretty easy, and we'll see if Truly can find you. All right, Truly, that's the speaker. Good job. Make sure no one missed any of their food. There we go. Okay, take 2. Oh, check that speaker. Okay, good. All right, let's try this, Truly. Think you can make it up there? Okay.
Nhắc túi. Nhắc túi. Túi ghê chứ.
Sir, thank you so much. Turn this back to you. So if you want to stay
Bum đưa tiền rồi bum.
Trả lại à.
Perfect. Good job. Our friend Sydney is bringing out the conservation donation box. And at the end of the show, you'll actually have
Đó, thùng tiền ạ.
Thanks, Sydney. Shirt over there, you want to help me? The sunglasses? All right. So same thing, once you find your donation, all you have to do is stand up. Perfect, and just put your arms straight out like this.
Thử bum, thử cho nó 7 lên con.
Find her. You got it, he sees ya. All right, Julia, where's the donations for conservation?
Nhét rồi đó.
Nó cái donation.
There's the box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Nó tặng cái quà.
Awesome. Thank you for your donation and truly
Cả
thank
hai
you for
người
helping
à.
us out.
Wow.
Ở rừng ở bên đường nha.
Thanks everyone. If you have any questions or want to come up and talk to us, feel free to hang out.
Ủa, nó bay đi tự nhiên vậy đó hả?
Thanks, sir.
Mà sao thả về đây nó cũng chịu nghe vậy? Ồ, bà cũng chịu nghe bây giờ đây trời.
And I wanted to mention too, our grapes will be out.
Giờ bỏ tiền nó tự nó bóc hả? luôn nha cả nhà. Hẹn gặp lại cả nhà video tiếp theo. Bye bye.